the layout has been changed from the vertical split to horizontal split. And this version now uses the new API of the Claude, which is Claude agents. And the next improvement is Claude code options. So you can now specify arbitrary arguments. Yes, you can now specify extra options. You can navigate sessions with J and K. Yeah, this is cool, but I don't want to leave the terminal. I understand the context better, and the idea matters than the code. I recently finished the roadmap, Brim 6. Yeah, this is a long journey. Hey, what's up? It's Taki here. Welcome back to my channel. In the past video, I've introduced Tmax plugin that helps you manage your Claude code sessions like this. And I've been using it every day, and I've been fixing some bugs, and I've added new features. So I'd like to give you some update since I published it. So let's get right into it. So in the new version, the layout has been changed from the vertical split to horizontal split. And so you don't have to move your eyes left and right. Instead, you can focus on the here, and you can quickly see the the latest state of the session. And in the old version, it is kind of the preview pane was broken because it wraps in the middle of the lines to fit the preview window, but it's been fixed here. So you can see it can display the session logs properly. And this version now uses the new API of the Claude, which is Claude agents command, which can give you a list of the current sessions, and you can add JSON option, so it can output as JSON. This plugin parses this JSON and lists and display them. It also supports not also this pop-up window. It now supports the panes outside the pop-up window. As you can see, there are two sessions in the Tmax Claude Session Manager directory. And if you choose this one, the focus moves to this one, this pane. Yeah, so it now doesn't require you to always run Claude in the Tmax pop-up windows. And the next improvement is Claude code options. So you can now specify arbitrary arguments to Claude command. For example, if you still prefer dangerously skip permissions, you can add like this. And yeah, I still prefer that because auto mode is kind of a little bit slow down. Yeah, so I'm still using this option. And the next new option is FZF options. Yes, you can now specify extra options which is passed to the FZF picker. And reason why I added this because it allows you to change the key bindings like this one. So it allows you to add the dim key bindings, and I'm currently using this. So here you can select, you can navigate sessions with J and K, and you can kill the selected session with X key. Yeah. And if you want to filter with keyword, press I and input keyword like this and press enter. Isn't it nice? Yeah, that's the new options. Yeah, and I'd like to mention the folks who sent pull requests. Yeah, thanks for sending me your ideas. And yeah, I didn't merge them, but I implemented them myself instead because I understand the context better, and the idea matters than the code now. And after seeing these ideas, I come up better implementations. So yeah, I made this. For example, I made this change to support the non-pop-up window sessions by using the agent command, as I mentioned earlier here. Yeah, so things like that. Yeah, so thanks for sharing your ideas through PRs. Yeah, that's it. So please check it out. Yeah, and I've got some questions about why I made this because there are a lot of similar tools that allows you to manage agent sessions. And so, for example, there are a tool called Herdr, which is a GUI tool. And yeah, this is cool, but I don't want to leave the terminal. So I just, yeah, it can be done just a few scripts. So I don't need a full-fledged app, GUI app. I just want to stay in the terminal and press the command. And Vim workflow, I don't want to leave this workflow. So that's why I created this Tmax plugin. Yeah, this is so cool. But I'm currently using only Claude code, and I don't need other other agents. So yeah, that lets my workflow keep simple. Yeah, so if you have a similar workflow, this plugin will be helpful for you as well. So I hope this is useful. Yeah, by the way, I'd like to give you some update about Inkdrop. And yeah, I recently published a new blog post about the project state. And yeah, I recently finished the roadmap, volume 6. Yeah, this is a long journey. And if you haven't checked it out, please read this blog post. And I'm currently preparing for releasing this officially. And maybe next week I release the first release candidate. I can't wait to release it. So yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching, and have a productive day. See you in the next one.